Kia ora, I'm Brandon Tai and welcome to the latest episode of the Video Weekly Diary series. We'll kick things off with our notable events of the week. After starting last week at COVID-19 Alert Level 2, New Zealand quickly moved to Alert Level 3 and then to Alert Level 4 as at midnight on Wednesday. At Alert Level 4, New Zealand is in official lockdown, with everything closed except for essential services. The capital markets are an essential service and as such, NZX will continue to operate. More information on the government's response to COVID-19 can be found in the links below. Due to the unprecedented nature of the COVID-19 pandemic, a number of NZX issuers have withdrawn their earnings guidance. We are also seeing governments announce a number of measures to fight the economic impact that the virus is causing. On Monday, the Reserve Bank in New Zealand announced that the Monetary Policy Committee had decided to implement a large-scale asset purchase program of New Zealand government bonds. The program will purchase up to $30 billion in New Zealand government bonds across a range of maturities in the secondary market over the next 12 months. In the United Kingdom, emergency measures were announced to help the self-employed, and in the US, a $2 trillion coronavirus relief bill was signed on Friday. Next up, our weekly recap. Total value traded for the week was $1.4 billion, with 62% of that value traded on market. We had a trade count of 283,000, and the S&P NZX 50 rose 3.8%, closing the week at 9,556. In global markets, the S&P 500 rose 10% and the ASX 200 rose 0.5%. Further information on the weekly recap, including the value and volume of the NZX top 10 securities, can be found in the weekly diary. And finally, our week ahead. Asset Plus Limited and NZX are both holding their AGMs this week, and both CSM Group and Vital Healthcare are holding special shareholder meetings. CSM shareholders are voting on whether to approve the acquisition of the Good Brand Company and related transactions. This includes a 1-to-5 shareholder share consolidation. If approved, trading will resume the newly consolidated MEE shares on Monday the 6th of April. VHP shareholders are voting on a proposal to restructure Vital Healthcare Property Trust to facilitate a foreign exempt listing on the ASX. On the NZX, this essentially means that VHP will begin trading as a stapled security, similar to our other stapled security, SPG. Thank you for watching the weekly diary video. Don't forget to check out the weekly diary and the links below for more information. And finally, remember to stay safe, stay home, be kind. Haere rā.